Do you need anti-static precautions when building a PC? If you are about to build your own personal computer, you might be wondering about the importance of anti-static precautions. This is a common question among both beginners and seasoned builders. The truth is, taking these precautions is essential to protect your sensitive computer components from electrostatic discharge, often referred to as ESD. This discharge can damage or even destroy hardware parts during assembly, and you may not even feel a shock when it happens. Static electricity can build up on your body or clothes and discharge into critical parts like the central processing unit, random access memory, or motherboard. This risk is particularly relevant when working with high-performance components, especially in gaming PCs where the parts can be costly and delicate. So, what can you do to prevent this? First, grounding yourself is a simple yet effective method. You can do this by regularly touching a grounded metal object, such as the metal frame of your computer case or a radiator. This action safely discharges any static buildup away from your components. Another great option is to use an anti-static wrist strap. This is a band worn on your wrist that connects to a grounded surface. It continuously prevents static buildup on your body while you work, significantly reducing the risk of shocks. Choosing the right work surface is also important. Avoid working on carpets or rugs as they can generate static. Instead, opt for a clean, hard surface like a desk or table. Be cautious about placing components on insulating materials, such as blankets or towels, as these can also increase static risk. Your clothing matters too. Wearing appropriate clothing, preferably made of cotton, is advisable. Synthetic fabrics like wool or polyester can increase static buildup, so it is best to avoid them while building your PC. Using an anti-static mat can further help by providing a grounded surface to place your components on during assembly. This mat can be a great addition to your workspace. For those building a gaming PC, these precautions are particularly important. They help ensure that your expensive graphics cards, processors, and memory modules remain as undamaged during installation. While some experienced builders may occasionally skip using wrist straps or mats, the safest approach is to at least use grounding techniques and avoid static-prone environments. In summary, anti-static precautions are not just recommended, they are practical when building a gaming PC. Simple steps like grounding yourself, using a wrist strap, and working on proper surfaces can significantly reduce the risk of damage to your hardware. Taking these precautions will help protect your investment and ensure a smooth building experience.